graphic, well, let's see, it's a flat image, right? And you still get these clicks. And anyway, it's just an interesting difference. So, okay. All right, now this is pretty much all I need to do for mouse clicks right now, because after we build the finite state machine, we can use this object.name and we actually can call this get mouse input from the finite state machine and get the name and do something based off of its name. So again, we're going to change a lot of this stuff. Now, do the same thing. If, let's see, not if. In this case, you're working with touches is working with an array of touches. So we're going to test for each of the possibilities. And we're just going to loop through an array. Int I is equal to 0, start off at 0. On I is less than input dot touches. Then the count of touches. So as long as the loop is iterating and that iteration number, the index, is less than the touch count, then increment the index. Oops. Okay. And then I need to work with touches, input. We're going to record the actual touch for touch. Every single touch in that array is equal to input.getTouch, and that's the same thing as get mouse button. And instead of mouse button, the left mouse button, we're going to say this is whatever index that happens to be being used. So let's say this is let's say number 1 is the pointer finger, and let's say you hit it again with your thumb, then you have not just number 1, but you also have number 2 at any given moment. So you can do things like if in the array we have a position at 1 and 2, and that happens to be, both of those positions happen to be lying upon a game object. So you're raycasting twice. If it happens to be on a game object and those two touches spin, record the delta and turn the actual object. So all kinds of really cool manipulations can be done with this. It's just actually getting it done. And that's actually a lot of script, so we're not going to worry about it right now. But we're just going to go ahead and for every single one of these touches, we're going to record the position same exact way as we did with the mouse clicks. Touch position instead of mouse position is equal to input dot this input, dot position. And then we're going to cast array again. Array is equal to camera.name. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes, so see you in a minute.